Hello and welcome to On4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'll be showing you how to add HTV to a stuffed animal. The materials that we are going to be using today is flock HTV, glitter HTV, a protective sheet, weeding tool, squeegee tool, and an animal of your choice. So let's get started. First we'll need to open a new project in Cricut Design Space. Click Text and we're going to enter the first. Okay, now we're going to choose the font. Please feel free to pick a font of your choice. And I'm going to choose this one. I have measured the blank space for my stuffed animals and I'm going to make the name 2 by 1 inch. And since I'm doing 2 stuffed animals, I'm just going to duplicate it and change the name. And before I save it, I'm going to change the color of one of the names. And then click Save and Make It. So here on the Prepare page, I'm going to select Mirror since we're using HTV and click Continue. And then next I will show you how to assemble everything. Okay, now we're ready to weed out a vinyl. And I'm just going to use my weeding tool to remove the extra vinyl that we don't need. I have my Petite press heating up on the side. It's similar to a Cricut mini press. I bought this Petite press many years ago. It still works great. I use it for a lot of small projects. If I can find the link, I will leave it in the description box down below. So I'm just going to take my fingers to fluff all the fur down into the same direction. That will help place the vinyl. Okay, grab your vinyl and place it in the blank area. And feel free to use heat tape to help hold it down. I'm going to take my parchment paper and place it over the vinyl. And I'm going to hold it pretty tight so that the vinyl doesn't move under there while I'm going over it with the mini press. And I'm going to do this for about 10 seconds pressing it. So this is flock vinyl, so it's a cold peel. I'm going to move this to the side while I work on the second one to give it a chance to cool. And I'm just going to do the exact same process as we did before. Then I'm going to take my squeegee tool and press it on the vinyl hard to help it adhere. Now we're ready to remove the protective carrier. Okay, and we're going to add the parchment paper back on top and press for another 5 seconds or so. Alright, so that looks good. Let's check on the first stuffed animal. Okay, and I'm just going to do one more press to make sure it's on here good. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, can you give this video a thumbs up? And also please subscribe if you would like to be part of my growing crafting family. Have a great day, guys.